I'm Marsha Sellers. I live in Mountain Home, Idaho, God's country. I'm thrilled to have been asked and honored to be asked to teach you at the 50th year celebration of SDP. It's held at the Orleans Hotel in Las Vegas. Monday, August 8th, from 1 to 5, I will be teaching the painted horse. I decided to develop the lesson using a canvas shopping bag to make it easy for me to carry 30 canvases and also for you to carry it home. Thanks to Deco Art and their So Soft paints, this is totally washable and totally able to accept water to create a watercolor effect. My lessons will include focal point, composition, comparative value of colors, and color variations. Lots to learn in the 4 hours that we have together. Take home this lesson and maybe put this lesson on a canvas like I have here, and you can develop this lesson as a painting on your wall. Tuesday, August 9th from 1 to 5, I will be teaching Walk in the Park. This is a terrific painting. And as you take it to shopping, full of groceries, you'll have tons of compliments on your artwork. That's what it's all about, showing people what you do. Enjoy this painting and come and paint with me. And I'll see you in August. Register today. I can hardly wait to meet you. Cracker Jack and I are excited about this project, and he has to stay home. But I'll be seeing you in Las Vegas in August.